What's going on, guys? Zeddy of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy A12. Now, I did own the previous phone, which was the A11, so I'm curious to see how much better this one is. Currently, this one goes for $200, brand new. The A11, which was the previous phone, only sold for $100, so we'll see how much better this one is. As I'm going over this, if you guys could smash the like button. If you also want to check this one out, I'll throw a link in both the description and comments. But let's get this thing unboxed. All right, so here we go. All right, there it is, guys. All right, so this phone has a pretty big display on it. It's got a 6.5-inch PLS IPS display, so it's not exactly an LCD, but we'll see how the quality is on it. As far as, the camera on it, it's got a 48-megapixel back camera, 8-megapixel selfie camera, and, we got to take some of the plastic off here. Now, the box came with, the basic stuff. You got your charger, headphones, and whatnot. Looks like this thing is wrapped up pretty nice, so let's try to get this thing off it. There we go. All right, we got it. All right, let's take a look at the back of the phone. All right, so the design on this thing's really nice, honestly. I mean, it looks nice. It's got a nice little textured feel to it. The back is like a hard PC, so it's not like an all glass phone. You do got the front glass, but let's turn this thing on and kind of get it loaded up. All right, so I'm just gonna go through the process real quick here so we can get to like the home screen and actually check out some of the wallpapers on this phone. And I'm also gonna do a little bit of gameplay with it so we could just test out the processor just to see how fast it is, for running different games. It's taking its sweet time here. All right, there we go. All right, so it was in Spanish. We got to switch that up to English. All right, we're just skipping right through here so we can get to the home screen. All right, sweet. All right, I like that wallpaper. The stock wallpaper looks pretty nice. I do want to point out, though, you can see there is a little bit of a notch at the bottom of the phone, pretty obvious. So, 6.5-inch display. However, you do have a little bit of that notch on the bottom, which is a little bit frustrating. All right, so one of the things I always like to change, whenever I get a new phone is the screen timeout. Very annoying when the screen times out every 10 or 30 seconds. So I got to switch that up. But other than that, let's take a look at some of these stock wallpapers. And I got to say, not a whole lot here. So I'm just going to stick with the main one that, came preloaded on this phone. Now, like I said, I want to test out, some of the loudness on this phone. We'll see how loud it is. Going to load up a game here called Traffic Rider. It's a really cool game. It's like a racing game. It's pretty high graphic as well. So we'll see if there's any lag or anything like that on this phone. And, we'll get into it here. All right, here we go. All right, this game is, so you basically got to cruise through traffic. I'm going to do my best not to crash, but, we'll see what happens here. All right, the phone's got some good loudness, though, for sure. It's pretty loud, and of course, we crash right there. That was pretty awesome. And I got to be honest, if we're comparing this phone to last year's Galaxy A11, it definitely feels like an upgrade for sure. But they did double the price on this phone. It does sell for $200 as opposed to picking up the A11 for $100. Definitely want to get one more level in here real quick. All right, let's do this. Close call right there. All right, so I'm getting a little better after that warm-up. Now we're just kind of like cruising through traffic. All right, nice. Okay, so my first impressions on this phone, basically what I expected for a $200 phone. I do like that it's got a big display. I don't like the notch at the bottom of it. Didn't really get into the camera yet, but I can tell you that, you know, Samsung phones always have good cameras, so that would be expected on this one. But yeah, for $200, you know, if you're looking for a good budget phone, I'm going to be doing more with it. However, do I think it's worth buying like right off the bat? Yeah, I'd say so far, so good. Okay, anyways, if you guys could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.